How to fix silent action button. Not working on iPhone 16 Pro? If the action button is not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot. Check action button customization. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and look for the action button option, then tap on it. Multiple options will appear. Make sure the silent option is selected. Now try to use the action button. If it is not working, then try next. Update iOS. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on General. Now look for the option Software Update and click on it. If any update is available, then update the software. Make sure you have installed the latest iOS version on your device. After updating the software, try to use the action button. If not working, then try next. Force restart. Go to the home screen on your device. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, try using the action button. If it is not working, then contact Apple Store. If the above steps don't fix the action button, then it might be a hardware issue. Visit the authorized Apple Store. If you want to enable the silent mode on your device without using the action buttons, then follow these methods. Use the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Now, look for the bell icon and tap on it to activate silent mode. You can see the pop-up of silent mode on if activated. Another way is using assistive touch. If you are not using assistive touch, then go to Settings. Then click on Accessibility. Scroll to the Physical and Motor section, then tap on Touch. Now click on Assistive Touch. Next, turn on Toggle beside it. After that, Assistive Touch ball icon will appear on the screen and tap on it. A few options will pop up. Tap on the Device option. Now click on the Action button from the options. You will see the silent mode notification on the top of the screen. And that's it.